Hello friends, Namaskar. Welcome to MDIE channel. Friends, first of all, wishing you and your family a very happy, colorful and spiritual Janmashtami. Friends, thanks for your love, like, share, subscribes and comments. Definitely it's motivating me. Please keep continue. If you are new, go to my all video, full video, watch it again and again. Like, share, subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Friends, let's have another grand and legendary launch of the very first ever maintenance management app, MDIE PM module app. Friends, launching the MDIE PM module app. Friends, this is today's plan. It's having asset number, type of service. Now let's go to the checkpoints. This is the checklist for the turning center CNC. Once you select the type of service, checkpoint will automatically open and each checkpoint will have a 3 window: OK, not OK, corrected and abnormality. Once you press the abnormality, you need to write specific lines for that. So everything is interlocked. You need not to remember all these things and you need not to go and search, keep on searching on the internet or manuals and everything. Standard machine, it's available. Same thing for the VMC, same thing for the BHM honing machine, SPM machine, etc. Friends, thanks for watching and participating this great event. To download and start using this app, please send us the inquiry on our mail ID available on the screen as well as in the description box. We'll revert within 24 hours against your inquiry. Friends, don't limit yourself, your organization, your employee, your profitability, your productivity. Be limitless with MDIE maintenance management apps. Friends, we'll meet very soon with another maintenance management app. Thanks.